2, 3, 4.
We're just coming to the close of our first full day of program at Globe Forum 2024, and what an experience it's been. Yesterday, we came together around invitational sessions, working with our partners and colleagues to really seed conversations for today. That included a full day of programming for our Leading Change Forum delegates, young leaders in sustainability who came together to network, to share best practices, and build capacity to be that next generation of leaders.
We've always been taught to prepare for the next 7 generations, and it only happens working with all of you.
No person who's ever changed the world with their environmental solutions ever started by saying, no, it can't be done.
Pattie Gonia, drag queen, environmentalist, conservationist extraordinaire, has been one of the highlights of this year's Globe Forum program. She has brought hope and joy and just incredible inclusion that we know is so important to events like this. Globe Forum 2024 has been an amazing experience, full of collaboration, connections, and thought-provoking sessions. I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings.